And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
And today, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be my skincare routine video. Basically what all I'm going to be doing in today's video is not something I would do very regularly or very often. This is something I would do probably once in a month or twice in a month, or sometimes when there is a special occasion. And the reason why I'm not posting since 2 weeks is because my offline school had started and it was very hectic actually. I had a lot of assignments and classworks to complete, so I couldn't focus on YouTube much. And even now, starting from 20th September till October 1st, I'll be having my midterm examinations, so I'll not be able to focus on YouTube much and there'll be lesser videos. So I hope you guys understand, because I need to focus on my exams, right? And yeah, I know that this intro has been very long, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The very first step of my skincare routine has to be washing my face or cleansing my face using a face wash. Now what it does is, if you are wearing any makeup, it removes all your makeup, and that is very important. If you have to start your skincare routine, then you need to remove all your makeup, so definitely use a face wash. And it also helps you remove any extra dust or dirt sitting on your face, and it helps you refreshen from inside. So the one that I would like to recommend is the Face Shop's Rice Water Brightening Cleansing Foam. I've been using that since a very long time now. I have at least emptied 2 bottles of that. But now since a month I have been using this Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash, and I have to say this is a very good face wash. I have also shown this to you guys in my Nykaa haul, and yeah, this is a very good face wash. It helps you refreshen from inside because it has neem extracts in it, so it feels very I feel very happy to use this. So now I'm gonna be washing my face using this one, and now also I don't have any makeup, but still I would like to wash my face. Now for the step 2 of my skincare routine, I generally like to exfoliate my skin, and for that I use the Plum Body Lovin' body scrub. Now the reason why I'm using this body scrub is because it's actually meant for your body, but I use this on my face because it has sugar cubes, or sugar extract, so it's not that harsh on your skin or face. So when I use this on my body, it's not very exfoliating. That is the reason I use it on my face. So I'm going to be using this only today. Now the first step I would like to do is just wet my face a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm wearing this normal home wala cloth or shirt because I don't want my other fancy shirts to get dirty, so please excuse me for this video. Now after I'm done wetting my face, I use the scrub. So this is how it looks like from the inside, and the smell is to die for, you guys. This is in the variant Vanilla Vibes and it smells so good. I have bought a perfume in this scent as well, so if you haven't watched my Nykaa haul, you can go watch. I have shown the Vanilla Vibes perfume in that. It's a body mist actually. So I'm taking this much, you can see, and I'm spreading it equally, and I'm starting to exfoliate my face. And be very gentle while you do this. Don't be too harsh on your skin, and that can cause harm to your skin. So you should be very gentle while you do this. This was actually gifted to me by my sister. And by the way, if you haven't watched my birthday gifts unboxing video yet, then go watch it. I'll make sure to link it in the I button. So I'm gently cleansing my face. So I'll cleanse my face and then be back. Now I'm going to be washing this, and I'll be back. Now I'm done washing my face after exfoliating, and my skin feels so soft already, so smooth. I really love the effect of exfoliating. Now the next step which I'm going to be doing is using a face mask. Now it's not a sheet mask. I'm going to be using like a charcoal face mask. The one which I'll be using today is the Mamaearth C3 charcoal face mask, and this is a very good face mask, I have to say. It contains charcoal, coffee and clay. It gives you a very healthy and purifying skin. And the one thing that I have noticed is that whenever I have an acne or like a pimple, when I use this one, it really reduces that, and I really love that. And this is how it looks like. It comes in this huge tub, and I have used it so many times, but still it's not yet empty, and you can see it has this type of a thing. So I need to open this. Oh gosh. Okay. So this is how the mask looks like. It is grey in color because it is a C3 face mask. And one thing I dislike about this is the scent of it. It kind of smells like basil, and I don't know, I'm not really a big fan of the scent, but the face mask is like the formula of the face mask is to die for, so I will highly recommend you guys to use this one as well. Of course, patch test is very necessary because your skin type and my skin type might be different, so I'm just recommending you this one because it suits my skin tone, or sorry, my skin type, but it might not suit you. So patch test is really important. It actually came in with some sort of a spoon type of a thing for applying it on your face, but I personally prefer to use my hands to apply it. So I just take it like this and then I just spread it on my face, and that's it. I do the same all over my face and apply it. Now you can see I'm done applying the mask completely, and I know I look a little bit scary right now, but it's okay. So this is how it looks like after you apply the mask, and I have to say this is a really good mask. And the benefits of using this mask is that it completely, it removes any impurities from your skin and also removes extra dirt and extra dust sitting on your face. So it's a very important step that I would like to do. Now this face mask was also gifted to me by my sister, so you should definitely check out my birthday gift unboxing video. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna be washing my face, and I'll be having a very clear and dust free and impurities free skin. So I'm here after washing my face after the face mask, and it feels so clean. I mean, my skin feels so clean and so refreshed, and I'm feeling refreshed from inside too. So all the impurities, all the dust and everything has completely gone from my skin, and it feels so smooth. Now let's move on to the next steps. Now for my next step, I use the Face Shop's 3-step skincare kits. It's their mini trial kit or something, and I got them as freebies from Purple, and I've been using them ever since, and the results are really good, I have to say. So I actually have two variants in them, and the first one is the Chia Seed Hydrating Kit. It's their Chia Seed Hydrating Trio Kit, and I have to say this is a really good kit. It gives you very hydrating effect, and I really love this kit. So I'll just show you how it looks from the inside. So this is how it looks like. It comes in with a toner, a lotion, and also a chia seed hydra creme. So all these are really good, and the next variant that I have is, now the other variant that I have is the White Seed Brightening Kit, and this is equally good too. So it also comes in with a toner, a lotion, and a serum. The serum especially comes in with a pump packaging, which I truly love. So this also gives the similar effect. It gives like a very brightening and hydrating effect to your skin. Now what I do is I usually do my skincare at night so that I get the most of its benefits, and when I wake up in the morning after applying all these, I have the most soft and very glowing skin, I have to say. And if I use the chia seed variant, I really have a very hydrating effect on my skin. So now I need to decide which one I need to go for. I think I'll go with the chia seed one itself. Now the first step of it is to use a toner, so I'll be using this toner. Now Face Shop is like a Korean brand, so all this skincare is really good. It is a little bit expensive, I have to say, but the skincare is really good. So I just take a little bit of it on my palm, and then I tap it off with my fingers onto my face. You can use a cotton pad or like a cotton swab and apply this, but this is how I usually apply it because it's a lot more convenient than finding a cotton swab or like a cotton pad and then applying it. I just tap it onto my face like that. Now I know I might be completely wrong the way I apply it or the way I use it, but still I'm showing you guys how I use it. And the next step in this is the chia seed hydrating lotion. So this is like a lotion, so I take this one too on my palm, just a little bit, and in all of these skincare kits you just need to use very little amount and it will give you a very good results. So I just apply it like that. And then I massage it into my face. So this is how I do. Results, and I'll definitely consider buying like a bigger version of it because it's really good, and most of the people say that it is comparable to the Clinique Moisture Surge, so I really love it. And I just apply it like that, and then I also massage this onto my skin, and it is so lightweight. Like as soon as you start blending it, it just settles down into your skin. It gets absorbed into your skin very fast. Now it might be looking a little bit oily right now, but it gets absorbed into your skin over the period, and when I wake up in the morning I get really very soft and hydrated skin. Now the second last step of my skincare routine is to use an under eye serum or an under eye cream, and I personally use an under eye serum, and I use this Good Vibes Cucumber and Lemon under eye serum, and I have to say this is a really good under eye serum. It instantly reduces your dark circles and lightens the area around your eyes, and I really love this serum. I have to say that I have been using it since a very long time and the results are really amazing, but since a month or so I have stopped using it, and since then again my dark circles are back, so I need to restock upon this because it's almost empty at this point. I saved it actually for this video, so I'll be using it now. So it comes in like a normal packaging, but it also has like a dropper along with it, so you just need to attach it. What I do is I just apply it. Oh shit, it's a little bit lot. So, and then I just spread it near my dark circles all around my eyes. Okay, now that I'm done applying the under eye serum, the next and the last step is to apply a lip balm because you never want your lips to be chapped, right? So I use this one by Lotus. It's in the strawberry variant. I usually use the raspberry variant too, so it's the Lotus lip balm. I just take it and apply it. So this is how it looks like from inside. You can tell that I'm really in love with it. I take a little amount and just spread it. So that was my skincare routine, you guys. I follow all of these steps almost every day except the exfoliation and the face mask, because doing that frequently can cause harm to your skin, and except that you can do all of these steps regularly. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do leave a comment down below of how you do your skincare routine. Do follow me on my Instagram because I'm much more active over there. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy.